This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Katherine Kowalski. Welcome to this stunning all-brick home situated on over an acre in the charming community of Cape Charles. This residence features an inviting open floor plan that seamlessly connects the living spaces, highlighted by beautiful hardwood floors throughout. The tiled kitchen comes complete with all appliances. With spacious bedrooms, this home provides ample room for relaxation and personalization. The versatile frog, finished room over garage, offers extra storage options, including a floored attic space, ensuring you have plenty of room for all your belongings. Enjoy peace of mind with a generator wired directly through the electrical panel. Attached and a detached two-car garage, with the detached garage offering additional storage space. Step outside to the expansive screened-in porch, huge deck and above-ground pool. Schedule an appointment today. June 20, 2025. For more information, review the details below.